everyone. This is Tarannum Raza from Time Institute. CAT is a few weeks away, and now is the time to consolidate all your preparation. And how will you do that? You can do that by analyzing all the tests that you've taken, by making a list of all the mistakes that you had made and not repeating those mistakes, by going through all the basics and fundamentals of each and every chapter. So all in all, this will help you maximize your number of attempts as well as maximize your accuracy. And this will definitely go a long way in maximizing your CAT percentile. So talking about different sections, when we talk about the VARC section, it is very important to remember one thing, that you don't do any guesswork, especially if you've not understood a passage carefully, or you have not understood the question, or you're not able to differentiate between options. Then in that case, it is best to leave that question. Another thing, how much time should you allocate to the reading comprehension section and to the other questions? That will depend upon how good you are at which type of question. Coming to the DILR section, remember that there are different types of sets. There are many sets, but basically there are 6-7 types of sets, and all the others are variations of these. So don't get hassled, don't get boggled when you see a different or new kind of set. Keep calm, go through the questions, go through the data available to you, and keep 4 things in mind. One is accuracy, the other is approximation, then speed, as well as familiarity. Familiarity with different types of sets is very important, and that will again come from practice. Talking about the QA section, each and every chapter, go through the basics of each and every chapter. Make sure that you are not leaving out anything. Make sure that you are familiar with different models of questions. And overall, it is extremely important that for each section, you do not miss out on the easy questions that are there. For that, the strategy becomes important. You need to scan the questions in each section. A quick scanning will help you decide which questions are easy and which are the questions that have come from chapters that you are strong in. Right? So go through the easy questions, make sure you don't miss out on them. If the question is very difficult and you find that you're spending a lot of time there and still you're not sure of the answer, so instead of getting a negative mark there, it is best to skip that. So what do you need to do? You need to analyze properly. You need to revise well. At the same time, you need to keep an open mind for any different type of question that may come up, or any different difficulty level that can be there in the main CAT exam. So be prepared for all of that too. Do not be tense. Revise everything well. And yes, you can make a difference to your CAT percentile by utilizing this time in an efficient manner. All the best to all of you from us here at Time. Do well.